You excited? Yeah?
Almost. Let me know when to stop.
You're gonna stop at the black line.
Let me know when to stop until I cannot keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
Now?
Keep going.
What?
Until you get to the top of that black line. Stop. Good job.
But a little bit more up. Ooh, not bubbles. If we are going to see bubbles. And stop, stop, stop. Like that.
Yeah, good job.
I did it.
You did it.
1, 2. My turn.
Squeeze.
On.
The food coloring was not mixing with the oil. It's actually mixing with the water. Look, it's gonna drop right now. And once it hits the water, that's when it spreads. Look, look, look.
Wait, it explodes in the water?
It looks like it, right?
It's stuck.
Oh, it's stuck?
It's gonna look so pretty.
Let's see if these touch the bottom. Oh, see how they're just hanging out on top of the oil? Let's see what happens when we add the next thing.
And now my turn. Shana, hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. Look. Can I do one more? Oh, it's falling down. Can I do one more? Can I do one more?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Do you guys see that? The little bubbles are going up.
Mama? Look at our lava lamp. How many do you think it is? I think it's 400. And how many do you think it is? Did you make a sound or something?
You think there's 400 bubbles here?
Yeah, I think so. We should grab the lava lamp. I bet 1,000 maybe. But we made our own lava lamp. Or 1,000, 100, 10. 1,000. Yeah. Lava lamp or a billion. Who knows? I don't know how
Anyone
much.
know?
I don't know how many. I don't know how many drops we did. I think that was too much.
You think we did too many drops of food coloring?
Yeah.
I think we did just the right amount. Look how beautiful and red that looks.
You think it's going to explode, huh?
I hope it doesn't explode.
You mean, God, like that. Hey, hey.
You want to try to flip it again?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Now it's moving.
It's moving again.
Why is it moving again?